morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is well today. Wow, what a crazy day we are having with the weather, right? The weather is so crazy outside. I wonder what it's like where you are. Oh my gosh, I look outside. I can't believe it. Earlier this week we had a heat warning, and now we have like a big snowstorm outside. It's so crazy. All right. Wow, I'm so happy to see so many friends here today. All right. Good morning to Miss Sandu and Miss Royan's class. Hello, you were the first ones here. Welcome, welcome. Good morning to Miss Canwell and Miss Blue's class. Welcome, welcome. And Miss Dulik. All right, good morning to Miss Red Pass class. Hello, everyone. Good morning to Miss Felker's class. Hello, hello, and good morning to Miss Paul's class. Yes, hello, everyone. Oh, welcome, Miss Perry and Miss O'Shea's class. Hello, hello. I'm so happy to see you join us today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, okay, welcome to Miss Giles and Miss Lou and Miss Capercia's class. I see you are here today. Welcome. Hello, Miss Sayers and Miss Gilpin's class. Welcome. Hello. Hello to Miss Mayer's class. Hi, I'm so happy to see everyone. Oh my gosh, we have a full house today. Hello, hello, Miss Lacomb's class. Welcome to joining us this morning. Hello. Hello, Miss Craig and Miss Capadia's class. Oh my, I think we have everybody here today. Fantastic. Okay. All right, boys and girls. It's so amazing today. I think we have a very full house. This is fantastic. Okay, so boys and girls, this morning, what we are going to try and do. Here is what we're going to try and do. I want you to guess whether or not I can move things but not use my hands. Okay, so normally if we want to move something from one place to another, we can use our hands. Okay, I would usually use my hands. But my question for you today is, if you think I can move an object but not use my hands today. Okay? So what do you think? Do you think I can move an object but not use my hands? I will let you talk to your class and see. And we can put our answer in whether you think I can move an object but not using my hands today. Okay? So yes, you think I can? No, you don't think so. I will let you answer with your class. Give yourself a moment. Oh, okay. Miss Mayer's class. Miss Mayer's class said yes. Okay, Miss Mayer's class. Whew. Okay, Miss Lacomb's class. Miss Lacomb's class said yes. Oh my, okay. You guys have faith in me. I'm not going to use my hands, I'm telling you. Okay. Oh, Miss Paul, thank you so much. So Miss Paul's class said, it looks like everybody here believes in me. Oh, I'm so touched. Okay, Miss Paul's class. Miss Paul's class said yes. Okay. Miss Giles, I understand. So Miss Giles says we're not quite sure, but we think you can do it. Okay, Miss Giles, I understand. Thank you, Miss Giles, Miss Lou, and Miss Compercio. Okay. Miss Sayre says no. Miss Sayre and Miss Gilpin's class said no, they don't think so. I understand. It's tricky. It's tricky, right? Not using your hands. Okay. All right, Miss Blues and Miss Canwell and Miss Dulick said yes. Okay. All right. Ah, Miss Craig, I understand. Miss Craig's class said they have mixed reviews. So some said yes, some said no. I understand. Okay, so Miss Craig and Miss Capadia, maybe I put you on the fence like this, kind of in between, right? In between yes and no. We're not always sure. Okay, so we have a couple more friends that we're just waiting for. You can just let me know. I think we have Miss O'Shea and Mademoiselle Perry's class here. And Miss Felker. Oh, Miss Felker, I'm so sorry, I missed you. Okay, Miss Felker's class said yes. Okay, so I'm going to put you in there. Okay, wondering if I missed someone. Okay, Miss Sandu and Miss Royan, I think. Miss Parian. If I miss someone, please shout out. I know that Miss Paul's friends jumped on it for her last time, and they were helping you out. Okay. Okay, so we have many friends that said yes, I can move something not using my hands. We have Miss Craig and Kapadia's class that's on the fence, they're not sure. And Miss Gilpin and Miss Sarah's class said no. They said no, that's not possible. Okay, so it's a little tricky. So I'm just going to move this over here. I'm going to put these cars away. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought Miss Sandu was here. Okay, Miss Sandu and Miss Roy said yes. Said yes, you can. Okay. All right. Put you in there. All right, we get a couple more friends. I know that some friends were having some technical difficulties today. It's I think because of the weather, right? Okay, so I'm going to move my cars over here. Okay, so boys and girls, what we're going to try and do today is I have an empty plastic water bottle, okay? What I'm going to try and do, I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to fill it up with some rice. Then I'm going to attempt to lift the bottle up, okay, off the counter, but I'm not going to use my hands, okay? So I'm going to just move you down so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so I have my empty water bottle here. I have my container of rice, but because this is a very big hole and this one's a small hole, I'm going to use my little funnel. Okay, I'm going to put that there. It just helps me so I don't spill my rice everywhere. All right, so I'm going to, here's what I'm going to attempt. Okay. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I wonder how she could do that, right? How she could lift it. There we go. Okay, so it's all the way to the top. I'm going to take my funnel out. Okay, so boys and girls, today for this experiment, you could try, I'm going to try to lift it. I have a pencil. I also have a wooden chopstick. So I'm going to try and lift my container of rice. I'm only going to use my chopstick. Okay, only my chopstick today. So let's see if we can get it to work. Okay, I'm going to put it inside here, all the way to the bottom. And now I'm only going to lift with the chopstick, not my hands. Okay, let's see. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, so boys and girls, here is what's going on. I'm going to try again. Let me see if I try again. Okay, pushed it right down to the bottom. Going to lift again. No, still didn't work. Are you noticing that every time I do that, the rice moves down, right? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to give it a very gentle little tap like this. Okay, so you notice that the rice is going down. So we need to add more rice. So the rice, let me just do this. Okay, so the rice begins to settle. I'm going to give it another little tap. Look how much more rice we can put in. Okay, let's try add just a little more. Okay. There we go. Okay, so boys and girls, we're going to try this again. So the rice settles into all the little void or the empty spots in the container every time you put the chopstick in. So we're going to try again. Oh, boys and girls, this time it's more difficult to push my chopstick all the way to the bottom. Okay, so at some point, I'm going to lift this up. Now try it again. Just with my two little fingers here, not my hands, okay? I'm going to only use my chopstick. Aha, boys and girls. Boys and girls, it worked. Okay, so at some point, the friction between the chopstick and the rice and the container, it becomes so great that it's strong enough to resist any kind of slipping. Okay. All right. Okay, so boys and girls, it works fine. I'm going to hold my hand just in case, otherwise I have a rice accident everywhere. But boys and girls, it's working. Okay, no problem, Miss Perry. We see you are here. It's okay. So, Miss Perry, our question was whether I could lift things without using my hands. So today we used a chopstick only, and it's holding a whole container of rice. But remember, boys and girls, if you try this, give it a tap. Make sure that your rice gets nice and compacted into the container. Okay, that's super important. Okay, so that's one. All right, boys and girls, I have another one to try with you today. Okay, so this one worked no problem. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put my rice away. Okay, so my next experiment today, going to try and do one more thing. What you need for this is a container just with ice, okay? I just have a container of ice. What I want to do is I want to see if I can lift the ice cubes out without using my hands, okay? So I need to fill this with, I have my ice. I got some ice from my machine. I filled it up. Now I'm going to pour water in it. Okay, so I just have my jug of water. I'm going to put it down so you can see it again. Nice and close. Okay, so I have it right up to the top. Then I need to get a piece of string. I have a little ball of string here, so I cut a piece. I'm going to try and use only my string to pull my ice out of the cup. Okay, I need one more thing. I have to get my salt. I'm going to try and use my salt today. So there we go. So I'm going to lay my string across my cup. Okay, so I'm going to try and pull my ice out of the cup. So I'm going to sprinkle some salt on top. Okay, oopsies. Okay, so I've sprinkled my salt on top of there. All right, so boys and girls, we're going to wait maybe like 1 minute for this chemical reaction to occur. So I know you guys like jokes, so I'm just going to tell a couple jokes while we're waiting for this to see if it works. Okay, because I know you guys like jokes. Okay, because it is snowing here, I thought I have a couple of snow jokes. Okay, so here we go. Dr. Fuzzleworth's not really a joke person, so here we go. Okay, how does a snowman greet another snowman? If there's two snowmen together, how do you greet each other? Nice to meet you. That's a good one. Okay. Here's another one. What sort of ball doesn't bounce? What sort of ball doesn't bounce? Okay, right? A snowball. Oh, Dr. Fuzzleworth, these are terrible. Okay. One more. Okay. How would you scare a snowman? Ready? You get a hair dryer. That would totally scare. Okay. One more for the teachers. Okay. What do you call an old snowman? Ready? Water. Okay, actually funny. Okay, this is so funny. Okay, so boys and girls, we're going to just see if our experiment has worked. We had to wait about 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. All right, so boys and girls, Dr. Fuzzer was not going to use her hand. She's going to use the string. Fingers crossed that this one is going to work. Oh, I think I have too much ice in here. It picked it up for a moment. I think maybe I have too much ice. Just a moment. Let me get. That was too heavy. That was too heavy. Just a moment. Let me get some of this ice out of here. All of my ice stuck together. So let me try this one more time. I'm going to show you. Except I think Dr. Fuzzleworth's out of jokes. Okay, so I'm going to put my string across again. Not doing too much. Okay. Oh my. I have salt everywhere. Okay, so boys and girls, the science behind this, okay? The salt is going to melt a little thin layer of the ice. Okay, so the salt molecules and the water molecules, they mix together. The salt molecules, though, they get in the way of the water molecules. So they freeze them together. Okay, the salt melts just a little bit. It kind of melts almost like a little tunnel. So the last ice cube I had was too heavy, okay? But then it begins to melt around it again so that eventually it freezes and holds onto the string. Okay. Because the salt begins, we know from our experiments in the past, right? The salt. Okay. And boys and girls, it worked. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, the other ones all stuck together. It was too many. It was too heavy for them. Okay, so boys and girls, Dr. Fuzzleworth was able to pick up the ice without using her hands. Only a string and a piece of and some salt. Yeah. Okay, so hold it up so you can see it. All right, boys and girls, that was so fun. Okay, so today you got 2 experiments for the price of 1 with some jokes thrown in there, yeah? All right, so boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed today and you have a very nice weekend, okay? And you can try these simple experiments with your mommies and daddies at home, right? So all you need is some rice. Use a little funnel, otherwise you spill your rice everywhere. Okay, put it into your empty bottle. Make sure your water is nice and dry because I can reuse my rice. I can just pour it back into the container. I don't want to waste my rice, right? And then make sure that you tap it down so that you're able to pick it up. You can show them the magic, right? Show them the magic that it will pick up very easily. And then again, with the salt and water, it will not last for very long. So eventually, my salt is going to fall, right? Or my ice cube is going to fall off. But you need a little bit of water and salt and a little bit of string. And then you wait about 1 minute, tell some really bad ice and snow jokes to your parents while you're waiting. And then you can see how it works. Okay? All right. Oh, thank you, Ms. Radpath. I'm glad you liked my jokes. I'm not a very good joke teller, but it was fun. Okay, so boys and girls, have a wonderful weekend. 2 simple experiments that you can do with your mommies and daddies, okay? About friction and about salt and how it is melting into your string, okay? I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next time for Fuzzleworth Fridays, okay? All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.